Hello.
Hey, gotta be kidding me, Johnson. You have to start the video out like that?
Yes.
What do you want, Storm? Okay, welcome to the team, Operator Potato. Nope!
Potato?
Yeah, his call sign is Potato. He said it before. No! Oh yeah, come on, go.
Potato. There's a dog.
We've been blessed by the dog.
I'm sorry. I don't want to have to do this.
Yeah. I had to.
Oh wait. Let's do a quick comparison.
I did not aim at the dog.
If you look at mine.
Thanks.
Look.
No.
Mine.
No.
No.
Oh,
mine is that way. I thought mine was over.
stop it! Hey guys. You know how my shoes somewhat starting to be a speed softer?
No.
I'm wearing Nikes.
No. You're missing a ton of stuff.
I'm wearing boots.
Yeah.
You're missing an M4 with the HPA line that goes back there. And 5 magazines.
I only got there because of domination. Because my teammate.
Don't.
Oh shoot! They're already heading! They're already leaving! Oh! Come on! I can make it! Oh! Up!
Putting SND. Got the SND right there.
No. I just broke the stock.
Oh, well, it still works. It'll work for today. It'll work. It'll be fine.
Yeah, I'll definitely be fine.
Pissed off.
Hey, this cleared off.
Oh, it did? Oh, it did. I'm gonna jump in the lake.
Yeah, let's jump in the lake.
Yeah, pool party.
Yeah! What's the storm? Where's your mask? Where's your signature mask? Huh?
Yeah.
Blind man! Hey, Drowned, you all good? It's upside down. Okay, you have 2 shots on it. Okay, here, let me get out of safety mode. Okay, not on safety mode anymore. Okay, be careful with it. And this is more dangerous than that. Operator Potato Man, what the frack is all this? When did you tell me about this?
Okay, so we're gonna.
It's gonna get censored on YouTube.
I'm just kidding.
Come on, Josh. Go, come on! Run! Dang, Lord, Storm, you're so slow. Well, why do you have no ammo?
I don't know the mag, but.
Oh, there's more cover over here. Back you, paintball.
Push up.
Push up.
Push up.
I saw him. Whoa! They're popping out. Popping out. Oh, that's a big old mushroom. Mario? Daniel is like right in front of me. Josh, why are you leaving me? Come on. I'm reloading right now. Oh, yo, we got another speed softer. How many people with dye mask are there? This is epic. What?
Byron, can you run that cover over there? I'll cover you.
Yeah, give me a sec. There's like 2 people with dye mask and 2 I'm trying to reload my mag. Was that a shot?
Josh, you see him?
Here, I'll push. Here, I'm gonna push back to get this on a frack. Whoa. Alright. God dang it, Daniel.
Ow!
That's what you get for being a comedy. Ha! We got a green. We got a green. Sweet. Okay, I can't look. So I'm probably gonna push back. I gotta push back. Found you! Oh, don't do it like that!
They're on the sun, so.
Here comes the sun. Do do do. Wait. This is my moment. No, I'm not gonna play it. Probably gonna play it off camera so I won't get copyrighted.
You want to just take that building back?
I mean, we could try. I saw someone push up.
Let's push that way, okay?
No, not my perspective. They're probably hiding good. No, not that I'm aware of. Not that I'm aware of.
There's some come. Get down, someone's shooting at you.
Are you sure? Huh. What a crazy November, huh? Yeah, I see him.
Where's he at?
So there's like a big box right up in front of the head.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to do is see if I could slowly push up. Look, he was pointing. What?
Where are you?
Right here. Over there? Here, I'll let you do it. I'll let you be the hero. God dang it, Bruce, you gotta be kidding me. You already died? Daniel, are you dead? Are you being shot at?
You said yeah?
Yeah, he's being shot at. Oh well. Alright, crack it. Leroy of chickens! Oh, what? Oh, that's what that. Oh, free food. Yum. Guess what? Car hit. Paintball. Johnson, get the fuck over here. I need to get revenge for that punch. Mother. Ugh. Huh?
Damn, we got pushed back.
Why are you pushed back?
Look.
Oh, we're being shot at? So what?
They added a slide.
Yeah, I know they had a slide. I want to go on that.
Thank you again, sir. You're welcome. I think I know you from somewhere. No, him.
Why is it so smoky?
Oh yeah, they're right over there.
Yeah, there's a sniper in the towers in one of those boxes. They're in the castle, the enemy.
Oh, in the castle? Oh yeah.
Yeah, near the castle area. Don't try to mess with my shoe,
I didn't mean
Johnson! No messing with my shoe! How dare you? Get out of here. Stop dying, Daniel.
Dead man don't talk.
I'm so sorry, Josh.
Stop.
I didn't do anything wrong. Look at your scope. God. It was dim anyway.
What? What happened?
You guys need to push that wheelbarrow.
Howdy. I can't see anything with the sun.
Ha.
Yo, he got RC cartoon.
Oh my goodness!
Daniel, stack on me.
Josh, you can see this is under this barrel up here. This area, right here.
That one?
Whoa! Oh! Jacket! Oh!
I can't see.
Too bright.
The goggles.
Up!
Right.
What?
If you go up to the barrels you were at, you can see people trying to look over to the side.
Yeah, they gave me brain damage, man.
already have birthday.
Look at my sight. They cracked it.
Oh,
Oh shoot!
that's not good. Let's go.
That ain't good. I'm good.
Oh, I don't want.
No, I'm gonna play some music.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Don't question it. That scared me. Oh, please, 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 I'm dead. I did. Hit. How you doing? Sweet. Okay. Don't go that way. I'm just gonna say that. Okay, that'll be enough time. Aha, there you are. Definitely not playing Pokemon Go. Oh. Yeah, definitely not playing Pokemon Go.
Oh yeah, totally not.
God dang it, there's no Pokemon here. What? I was definitely not playing Pokemon Go. Huh? Yeah, I know. The speed stuff is over there.
I got him.
Holy shoot! Huh? Yeah, that's Josh. Yeah, Chase, don't go down that way.
Speed soft, I banged him.
Wait, so we're gonna go over here?
Yeah, we're pushing him.
Let's go.
Josh, let's go to the slide.
I got him. You got it? Yeah, I went up and banged him. But you know, they made a semi, so. Hey, kid, I need a new mag.
Also, sorry about the glass.
Here, I got you ammo. I got ammo.
No, new mag. Can you try to put it upside down? Dang, Daniel.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go behind. Okay, Josh, let's go to the slide hill.
You got other BB in my arm?
No, we ain't pushing all the way up.
Right here.
Yeah.
What the?
Where did I end up in?
How did I get in there?
Here, Chase, can I see? I'm gonna borrow the sniper. I'm gonna try to see if I can get one.
Okay.
Okay, here, take the AK.
Phil,
Yep. Okay, Chase, I need a speed loader. Yeah, this hill? Okay, I need a speed loader.
What this?
This is probably the part where my video is going to cut out.
Ty?
You